Jeremy, why don't you tell us what brought you to Axiom Chiropractic first and a little bit about that experience?
Yeah, so I came to Axiom Chiropractic because I was having lower back pain, lower and mid back pain. I was having issues sleeping. I was having some issues with my A1C. I'm a type 1 diabetic. I was having a lot of stuff going on, so I was trying to get some sort of relief for that. So yeah, we initially started with lower back pain. I did you guys ran some tests on me. I'm not even sure what the tests were called, but it was a lot of tests that pretty much see, it's like an overall health assessment. So once we did that, we kind of saw that I was not doing so well. Let's put it that way. I was not doing so well. So we started with like lower back adjustments. With those lower back adjustments, I started to see improvement. The lower back adjustments started helping out with my A1C. You guys also recommended some supplements to take along with that. So a combination of that all kind of helped lower back pain and A1C initially. Then it kind of started to help with my sleep once we kind of moved up and got to the mid back. And yeah, I'm probably leaving a lot of stuff out.
So I remember one thing in particular. You came in with some jaw pain that was like excruciating. Yeah. So why don't you share a little bit about that? Because that was different, right?
Yeah, so you guys are amazing. So I happened to chew during my sleep. I don't even know what I did. And I woke up and I could not move my jaw. I could not chew or do anything. So I panicked. I called Dr. Megan and I said, hey, can you help me with this? And they said, absolutely, just come right on in. They fit me in their schedule. And I came in and they did what they did, and it took 5 minutes and they fixed my jaw. So very thankful, because I was going to go to the emergency room and waste some money there. So
yeah, we don't want you to waste the money. Yeah, so really awesome. And then the sleep, bringing that all together. Started out getting 4 and 5 hours of sleep. What are you up to now?
I started off with definitely 4.5 hours of sleep. Now I can consistently get somewhere around 6.5.
That's great.
So some nights I get 7.5. But I'll take a 2-hour improvement in my sleep any day. So
awesome.
Very thankful for that.
Yeah, more REM cycles, better sleep. That helps everything. So if you could tell anybody out there who's thinking about chiropractic, Jeremy, maybe they're on the fence and they're afraid of it, they don't know what to do, what would you say to them knowing what you know now in this experience?
Yeah, don't put it off. Definitely come in and just get an assessment. Just come in and let them take a look at you and just get an assessment. I'm not saying you have to come in and come every single week, but it was very beneficial for me and my overall health. So I would highly recommend it to anybody looking to, really anybody in general.